Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Asif Bari. I am the president. I actually say Khaden, not president. Khaden means who doesn't know, the servant of Suffolk Islamic Center, Ronkan Kama Masjid. Today we are standing here. It's a great. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. This is a historical moment of all the Muslim Ummah in the Suffolk County all over the world. With this Suffolk County Council, it was possible that we are standing here, gathers few thousands people. It is the blessings of Allah that few brothers, Brother Samir, Imam Tahiri, all those brothers along others, make it possible, united us today. On behalf of Suffolk Islamic Center Ronkan Kama Masjid, I welcome you and congratulate you to this great historical event. I have two messages I will conclude. Once, with the younger parents, these 20 mosques, you are wherever you are the mosque related, please send your children to the maktab or the mosque. Make your children like identical Imam Tahiri or Imam Samir Bhai, like he is a physician, but he is our ambassador. Make like him, like my son Adib Bari, whoever you know, dedicated to the service, servant for the Islam. And second message to my community, I recently came back from the Hajj with my 3 children and my wife. I know lots of family, everywhere we go to the so many places, Florida, Rome, many places in the world. Take your children one time in the Makkah and Medina, have the Kaaba Sharif and the Medina Sharif in their heart. This is the message for you. This is a life-changing experience I have. Jazakallah khair.